VQMS, which stands for Vigorous Quality Management System, is a management consulting company towards quality and management. VQMS is a team of highly experienced and acknowledged experts in the field of training, consultation, and outsourcing services for the national and international boundaries in Lean Six Sigma, quality and processes management, and other corporate boundaries, that is, corporate governance management. VQMS's vision is to emerge as corporate quality processes consultants and training solutions provider by adopting latest management concepts and technologies in pursuit of excellence. VQMS's mission includes a wider mission to be a leader among competitors in the field with creation of leaders for future and the services rendered. Our goal is to work with a motto of client satisfaction for value addition in the existing management system of the individual and organization, and identify areas where individuals and organizations could improve effectiveness in their growth path, related to minimizing wastage, rejection, and improvement in their business excellence and self-marketability. We at VQMS are committed to deliver value-based consultancy and training services and outsourcing solutions to the utmost satisfaction of our customers and continual improvement in all our processes related to corporate governance. We at VQMS provide training and auditing to our clients. A major part about auditing and training is lead auditing. Lead auditor under auditing practices are the lead or managerial level best activities followed in audit management under audit certification. It is used to remove the gaps identified through audit practices in any organization. Audit applies to all types of organizations where ISO or similar standards are implemented. It doesn't matter what size they are or what they do. It can help both product and service organizations achieve standards of quality that are recognized and respected throughout the world using meaning gaps analysis by a certified auditor. VQMS specifically designed course meets the requirements of the following: auditors, lead quality coordinators or managers, quality assurance engineers, fresh engineer graduates or MBAs or professionals, HR, admin, management team of organization, managers or future managers including some management students. Basic eligibility towards pursuing lead audit certification is to auditor or internal auditor certification from any market recognized training and certification body. Few of the widely used standard professional certification in industries or corporates are Lead Auditor ISO 9001, Lead Auditor ISO 14001, and much more. In the field of training, one of our main training programs include the 5Y and 7QC tool training. These tools are a very basic and widely used quality control tools for identifying 75% cause of a problem, first by identifying defects, removing defects with the concept towards continual improvement. They provide businesses with the tools to improve the capability of their business processes. The increase in performance and decrease in process variation leads to defect reduction and vast improvement in revenue or net profits, employee morale, and quality of product. 5Y tools and 7QC tools are rapidly becoming a cornerstone philosophy among increasing number of organizations in the world. They allow companies to drastically improve their bottom line by designing and monitoring everyday business activities in ways that minimize waste and resources while increasing customer satisfaction. Further, we also provide food quality training. Food quality training is one of the scope-oriented domain towards defining quality and standards used in industries and sector for implementation of food quality framework. Food quality consists of food standards, documentation, review management for food domain. Food quality assurance is high in demand practices in majorly food production sector for managing organizations with defect towards inspection, testing, verifications, validations, review management of processes or products with the purpose of standardization of processes and organization growth. VQMS specifically designed projects that meet the requirements of the following: First, food-related corporates, industries or organizations suffering with near to shutdown of their business. Second, quality assurance engineers, team leaders, food professionals, practitioners, quality assurance team members, and junior or senior management. And third, any other professional members who are doing research, innovations, or consulting in process improvement practices can also be benefited by this. Apart from these, we also provide HR training, business analyst training, brand marketing training, LPO legal process training, entrepreneurship development training, and personality development training. VQMS also provides consultations in various areas. ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 are a process standard towards having basic quality standards of the organization, updated versions of which focus majorly towards monitoring risk management. They generally help organizations achieve standards towards environment quality that are recognized and respected throughout the world, that is, more towards climatic change and neat and clean surroundings. ISO 45001 is a process standard towards health and safety performance of the organization. Updated version focuses majorly towards monitoring risk management. It generally helps organizations achieve standards towards the health and safety quality that are recognized and respected throughout the world. ISO 27001 Information Security Management System standard is a security management standard used globally towards information security management. It is used to establish and update your organization's information security system, that is QMS. Six Sigma Consulting is another major part of our company's function. Six Sigma is a widely used term in industries and manufacturing sector, where Six Sigma refers to defect management, variation management, and problem management practices which are high in demand for implementation of defect elimination with standardization of process flow. Six Sigma Consulting and Implementation at VQMS provides not only organizational project implementation but also hands-on experience in defect elimination and capability management of the organization, tool and concepts at their workarounds. Audit consulting is another widely used term in identifying the defects in the processes. Audit is the very basic activity of any QMS that are high in demand for implementation of basic quality frameworks or standards with the purpose of standardization of processes and organizational growth. Audit consulting and implementation at VQMS provides not only organizational structured working but also a beginning of the first stage reaching towards continual improvements, defect elimination and capability management of the organization. When it comes to consulting services, we at VQMS, apart from these, also provide GEM consulting services, IATF consulting services, and MACE consulting services. Another function of VQMS is to provide certifications. Lean Six Sigma is a statistical control process of managing defects and deriving improvements out of it, first by identifying the defects, measuring the variation in measurement systems, analyzing the data, and further removing the defects with undergoing risk analysis, later continually monitoring through controlled variation with the concept of continual improvement. Six Sigma is a management methodology meant for driving process improvements in the delivery of goods and services. It provides businesses with the tools to improve the capability of their business processes. The increase in performance and decrease in process variation leads to defect reduction and vast improvement in revenue or net profits, employee morale, and quality of product. It is rapidly becoming a cornerstone philosophy among increasing number of organizations in the world. It is a business process that allows companies to drastically improve their bottom line by designing and monitoring everyday business activities in ways that minimize waste and resources while increasing customer satisfaction. All the belts play different roles and responsibilities under Lean Six Sigma project implementation and management. Training and certification give upper edge to the persons managing projects in their relevant fields, verticals, or domains, giving multi-edged outcomes as per ROI is concerned. We provide Yellow Belt, Green Belt, Black Belt, and Master Black Belt certifications. Apart from Six Sigma, we also provide green certifications. A green certificate is a tradable asset which proves that electricity has been generated by a renewable or green energy source. It is also referred to as Renewable Energy Certificate (REC) or Renewable Obligation Certificate (ROC). Green certificates are issued and traded primarily because of government policies which require suppliers to have a certain percentage of renewable production in their supplier portfolio. With green certificates, governments can set exact targets as to the level of renewable production in a country, while the markets find the most efficient way to meet these targets. We at VQMS provide Green Campus Certification, Green Building Certification, Green Lab Certification, Green Office Certification, and Green Event Certification. VQMS also provides Wine and Spirit Education Trust Certificate Level 1 and 2, which are also known as WSET. WSET is a professional program to develop your skill set towards multiple domains like hotel industry, food industry, tour and travel industry, wine industry, and more. The scope and purpose towards WSET professional certificate program is to help individuals towards making their professional career as a marketing manager, product manager, domain expert, wine testing inspector, consultant, trainer, and can work for various industries and business domains. Further, we also provide ISO certifications, which include certificates all the way from ISO 9001 to ISO 27001 and much more. Apart from certifications, we also provide accreditations, which is a quality management system standard used globally to have a standard towards maintaining standard for school management system and as per quality standards. It is used to establish and update your school's or institution's quality management system. International Accreditation Organization is the accrediting body from US, which is the international body towards accreditation. As in present scenario, education system standard is declining day by day, whereby schools are becoming a machine towards achieving business targets for revenue generation, and also school systems are expanding in a very drastic manner without delivering the right quality education to the society. Accreditation standards relates to school management systems and is designed to help institutions to ensure that they meet the needs of customers or students and other stakeholders. Accreditation is a very basic standard which helps in establishing processes and procedures. It gives upper edge for being certified in this competitive market. We provide school, college, institutions, professional and international accreditations. Finally, VQMS also conducts workshops. VQMS has developed a platform of free learning and knowledge acquisition through videos or libraries. VQMS also conducts free workshops at offices for institutions such as college and university students. The purpose of the free workshop is to spread knowledge towards quality and management. Nowadays, no corporate recruits a student who does not have exposure towards corporate culture, industrial best practices to be recruited by big organizations. To be specific, we provide BRC certification workshop, BSCI certification workshops, NABL accreditation workshops, and trademark, NSIC, and MSME registration workshops. For further information, you can visit our website www.vqms.co.in or you can follow us on any of our social media handles. Thank you.